Hi everyone. Sometimes it happens that we accidentally delete our data and we are worried how to recover them. So today in this video I'll show you an AI based recovery software that will help recover your data from most of the worst case scenarios. So let's get started. The name of the tool is RecoveryFox AI. Now if you go to the solution section, you can see that it can recover your data from most of the worst case scenarios. Now to download this software, simply click on free download here, and once you download it, simply right click over the file and run it as administrator. Follow the on-screen instructions and install the software. Now this is my USB drive, which has a lot of data of different categories on it. So let me create the scenario for you by formatting the drive. Now when you are in a similar situation, simply open the software. You will see your USB drive listed here. Now you can perform a normal scan to see what are the files you can recover, but to fully recover the files you need to register the software. So let me register it for a full demonstration. So once registered, simply click on that drive and scan it. At the very outset, it will scan in a normal process, after which AI scanning will begin. So simply wait for their scanning process to complete. I had only a few files on my USB drive, but the scanning process found beyond that. So once the files are recovered, you can select your drive, or you can click on file types and select the items as per your needs which you want to recover. Now I'll select everything and click on recover. Now it will ask for you to choose a destination to save the file. Simply choose a destination other than the drive from which you are recovering the files and wait for the recovery process to finish. Now once done, click on OK and it will take you to the parent directory where your files are recovered. You can see separate folders of every file types and you will get your recovered files inside them. So you can see all of my files are successfully recovered, and just in a fraction of time. So if you need to save the file, you need to buy a subscription of the software. So here are 4 different options, so you can buy as per your needs and requirements before you proceed with the data recovery. A product manual is also given on the vendor's website, where you can see most of the common important information like the supported language, the file types it can recover, and also the devices it supports. So this is a very trusted software on which you can easily count for to recover your valuable data. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful.